Hey everybody, Neil Malik with Knack Training here, bringing another everyday office video. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to protect your workbook so that you can easily share a spreadsheet with somebody who will then do some data entry. Okay, so if this is your template, right, you've got yourself a little report and all you need people to do is fill in the various numbers and it'll automatically generate this chart and the total revenue and everything else. Let's go ahead and zero all of this out. Okay, so everything's zeroed out. You can see the charts disappeared. You can see the sum is gone at the bottom, and you want to protect this so that people only fill in the revenue. Now, if you go to the Review tab at the top of the screen, you can, in fact, protect the worksheet, right? So if I click on Protect the Worksheet, you'll see here it says, if somebody puts in the password, you'll break the protection, right? And protection protects the worksheet and the contents of the locked cells. So one of the things you can look at doing is not giving people the password, not allowing them to unlock the spreadsheet. Instead, right here, you see that they can get in and they can work with unlocked cells. Most people don't focus on what an unlocked cell even is. So let's try this out. You highlight the cells that you want people to do their data entry in, and you use the keyboard shortcut Control-1. By hitting Control-1, the Format Cells dialog comes up, and the last tab is the tab for protection. And you'll notice that every cell in an Excel spreadsheet by default is set to locked. And so this is how you unlock cells. This is all you do. You uncheck that checkbox for locked, you hit OK, and now watch as I go to the Review tab. I go to Protect Sheet, and I put a password on this like password. That protects the worksheet and the contents of the locked cells. You see, it doesn't mention anything about the unlocked cells. So I click OK here, and I type in password again. And now think about this. If somebody comes in and tries to change region to, Bob, right? You see right there it says you're trying to change a protected sheet. You have to unprotect the sheet. And if you don't know what the password is, you're kind of stuck. But right over here, if I type in that the revenue here is $453,000, boom, the chart comes in, right? And I say this one is $325,000. And the chart comes in $125,000. And let's say $675,000. And the chart comes in and it adjusts, but I'm not able to make any changes. You see here, I can't click on the chart. The chart is not available to me. I come over here to the regions and I try to make changes to the regions and it tells me I can't do that.